Well, we're here at Syracuse International's King of Truck event today. This is one of our first rides we came across. The owner's standing next to me. What do you got for a vehicle here?
56 Ford F100. It's got a 460 under the hood, 9-inch rear end, disc brakes all the way around.
How long have you been working on it?
Probably about 6 years.
6 years?
Mostly in the winter. Drive it in the summer.
What what color orange is this?
That's actually a Chevy Hugger Orange.
A Chevy, huh?
But it's all Ford under the hood, though.
Is that right? Looks very nice.
Thank you.
Very sweet looking ride. Mind if we get a shot of the inside of it?
Sure.
What do you got underneath the hood?
Little popper for you.
Oh, this is sweet. I love your shifter.
Thank you.
460?
460.
Oh, nice. Nice power plant.
Beautiful.
Looking very nice. I love the way the hood opens. That's cool. About 6 years, huh?
Yep. Let me pop the bed for you. It's got all spalted maple in the back instead of oak.
Check
Everybody
this
uses
out.
Oak. It's kind of
Very nice. Oh my goodness. Ida.
wow.
Awesome, it looks like you can actually sleep.
That's something Ida will appreciate.
I didn't even know this crap was in here. Oops, sorry.
Ooh, I like that.
I knew you would.
Stuff under the seat.
9-inch rear end.
You should want to gear people for this.
Now, if you see the pumpkin, my buddy painted a pumpkin on it, put a patch over one eye.
Uh-huh.
I only have one eye, so that was kind of a dig.
What's that? Really? Oh. Gotta get that coyote in there. Oh yeah. Very sweet.
Hello, Bob.
I've got a flag for you, John. I'm trying to find a Russell radio someplace.
Even got a chrome fire extinguisher.
Well,
Maybe you just hear kind of directed to those guys.
That's going all the way out right there. It's like embroidered right into it. Same thing with the seat. It's embroidered right into it. V8.